going to be trying 2 different pore refining face masks.
It's cold! It matches my top beautifully though, doesn't it?
Right.
I know. Colour.
Violet, you're turning violet!
Mine's stinging.
It's telling me not to rub it in, but it's so hard. Something's happening.
Oh my god, yours is a foaming one!
Yeah, it is.
I look like Mrs. Doubtfire.
Hello! Ow! Oh, it says leave on for 60 seconds.
Wait, so is this meant to get rid of your pores? Because it foamed on your face?
Yeah, it got rid of my pores because it flared my eczema, gave me hives, and ripped off the top layer of my skin all at once.
Oh, I didn't get rid of that spot on your nose, did it?
That is a beauty mark.
It's got a whitehead.
Oh, it says use 2 to 3 times a week. Well, that's convenient, isn't it? No products can get rid of your pores in 60 seconds. I don't know who's told you that, but it's a lie. Massive scrappy-doo.